Wednesday, May 8th. We're going offline through Friday, so be sure to let your devices down easily. I know you have a tough time separating from them, and they have an even tougher time separating from you. But we need to get through this part without them. Okay, our final standards in the unit. You'll be engaging in a class discussion in which they make and evaluate arguments based on evidence about whether doping or high-altitude training increase the cyclist rate of cellular respiration, resulting in improved performance. So there's a lot of pressure on you, cyclists. History and the balance, and so be sure you gather evidence and make claims and argue appropriately. So your outcomes are met once you've gathered evidence to back a claim about Jordan Jones. You've examined that evidence about his diet, metabolism, exercise, and you understand the factors that affect metabolism and how body systems work together. And with all those pieces, I think you'll be able to come to a conclusion. So lesson plan for today through Friday. 4.3 is the seminar and 4.4 is the unit post-assessment. To let you know how we're going to do this, there's some resources you'll be given once you're put into groups. But Group 1 will begin in the inner circle. They are the first to conduct the seminar. The outer circle will be the observing group, recording what they see, and the first round, they will be in the inner circle. The second round rotation, that same group will be in the outer circle, observing another group on the inner circle. And then in the final round, they will be taking the post-assessment. Group 2 will begin in the outer circle, observing the number 1 group in the inner circle. Then they will move to the post-assessment. Then they will move to the inner circle and finish the week with their seminar. And Group 3 will begin with the post-assessment and then move to the inner circle seminar and then to the outer circle observation. How are you going to be assessed? Well, it is standards-based, which means we need to convert over to the grading Skyward uses. So what we'll do is the post-assessment is self-assessed by the computer. Assigns you a level 3. That's an A. A level 2, a B. A level 1 is a C. A level 0 is a D. And no attempt, no data on you at all is the unmentionable. Seminar-wise, if you bring everything to the table, in other words, you're in the inner circle, you've got your documents, and you get at least 3 of the observation boxes checked based on your performance, you get an A. And you'll have that checkbox ahead of time so you know what it is you need to do. If you get at least 1 box checked, in other words, you're in the circle and you're saying something that pertains to any of the areas, and you've got your documents, then you've got a B. If you sit in the circle and have your documents and you're a good observer, you get a C. If you simply can make it to sitting in the circle without disrupting or being removed, you get a D. And if you choose not to sit in the circle and participate or are removed from the seminar, then you also get the unmentionable. So you should be set up for success. We've been building for this for quite some time. These expectations are not over the top. You're capable of all of them, so we expect good things and good grades and everyone to go home happy.